Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaled Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. So dear students, today I am going to take a social science class for the students of class 2. So have a look on the board at first. So students, this is for class 2 and subject is social science, and today's topic is part B, MCQ 1 and 10. In our previous class we have done MCQ part A, and that class you got 10 MCQs, and in that class we will discuss about 10 MCQs also, but this is about part B. And the term is half yearly, the lecture number is 13. I have given my phone number. If you have any need, you can make the use of that number. And so dear students, now let's start the class. So dear students, today is part B MCQ and the topic is general knowledge, and this is part B. In our previous class we have done part A, and that was based on your book, and that means the topic of your chapters, the topic was social science. But in this class we will today discuss about the general knowledge and the MCQs of that chapters also. So dear students, today's class is about MCQ, that means multiple choice question. So in that questions we will discuss about the question, and there will be options for you, and you have to tick the correct answers. First, suppose if I ask about the question, what is the capital of Egypt, there we will get 3 options: option A, option B and option C. And from that options you have to choose which is the correct. Okay, so this is the topic about MCQ. So the first question for us is, what is the capital of Egypt? So have a look on the board. The first one is Islamabad, and the second one is Cairo, and the third one is New Delhi. So the capital of Egypt is Cairo. So what is the capital of Egypt? The capital of Egypt is Cairo. So let's go to the second question. The second question is, which is the closest planet to the sun? That means they are asking about the closest planet, and the closest planet, that means to the sun. What is the closest to the sun? The options are Earth, Mercury and Venus. The correct answer is Mercury. And the third one is, which is the farthest planet from the sun? They are asking about the farthest planet and from the sun. There are options Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. As we know, this is the farthest planet of the sun, so the answer will be Neptune. So this is the way we will choose the correct answers, and let's go to the number 4. Number 4. Which planet has its ice caps of yellow acid? Which planet? The planet having ice caps with yellow acid, we have to find out the planet. The planet is, options are Mars, Venus and Mercury. The right answer is Mercury. And go to the number 5. The early universe was very big, medium or small. What will be the answer? So the correct answer is small. And then the 6th number, the Taj Mahal is situated in which country? As we know, Taj Mahal is very popular in the world, and we need to know in which country this is situated. The countries are given here: India, Bangladesh, Japan. We need to find out the correct answer. The correct answer is India. So Taj Mahal is situated in India. And number 7, Machu Picchu is a dash century Inca site. That means in which century Machu Picchu was built, Machu Picchu was the part of which century? There are options 5th, 7th, 12th. The correct answer is 15th. The correct answer is 15th. What is the sun? We all know sun, but what is the sun? Is it a star or a rock or a planet? Actually, the sun is a big star, a big star. So, let's go to the next portion, that means in number 9. Which is the much faster planet than any other planet? Which is the much faster? They are asking us about the much faster planet from any other planet. The options are Earth, Mercury and Earth, Mars and Mercury. The answer is Mercury. And number 10, which is the capital of Japan? Which is the capital of Japan? Options are Dhaka, Tokyo, Kabul. The right answer is Tokyo. So dear students, let's read the questions once again. And you can say with me so that you can memorize the answers of the question. So we will just say the answers with the question. We will not discuss about the all options. So what is the capital of Egypt? The answer is Cairo. So what is the capital of Egypt? The answer is Cairo. Which is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury. Which is the farthest planet from the sun? Neptune. Number 4. Which planet has its ice caps of yellow acid? Answer is Mercury. The early universe was very small. Number 6. The Taj Mahal is situated in which country? India. Machu Picchu is a dash century Inca site? 15th century. So which century? This is 15th century Inca site. What is the sun? A big star. That means a star. And then, which is the much faster planet than any other planet? Mercury. Which is the much faster planet than any other? That means it is Mercury. Which is the capital of Japan? Which is the capital of Japan? This is Tokyo. So which is the capital of Japan? This is Tokyo. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Actually the topic is about to memorize and this is very short for you, and I hope you all will memorize this at your home and you will pick up the whole questions and answer and submit the SW. This is your SW number 11 and the SW is MCQ 1 to 5. Okay my dear students, so this is your SW and submit this SW at your school in every Saturday. Hopefully you will memorize all the topics. So dear students, this is all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.